Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a new video, and this video is about a place located in West Bengal, mostly in the northern side of West Bengal, and it comes under the Bunyadpur subdivision. I am talking about Gangarampur, which as I told you comes under the Bunyadpur subdivision and has a population of about nearly 1 lakh. So let me begin. So first I'll begin with my journey from Kolkata to Gangarampur by car and how it was. So currently behind me you can see like so many flowers. So this is my grandparents' home garden and I'm really enjoying it here. So let me begin. So, first of all, we came here on 29th, I guess. I'm like really confused. So anyways, yeah. I'm sure it was 29. So when we were coming, the road near Kolkata was really great till Bardhaman. It was nice, but then after that, it was like really bad. There were lots of trucks and lorries coming towards Malda. Malda is like this main place situated near Gangarampur and other small, cities, which is like the headquarter of this place. And it's a very renowned place for its mangoes. After that, from Malda to Gangarampur was like a terrible journey. It's hardly some, I guess, 100 kilometers from here, but it took around 4 to 5 hours only from Malda to Gangarampur, and it was a really long one, terrible one, awful roads, and later on it was all fine. So behind me you can see this is a temple in the backyard of my grandparents' house. It's ours and it comes under the premises of the house. So there's a beautiful garden here. I thought why not show it to you people, because as I told you in my previous video, there's a video about my house garden which is like in a balcony and really small. So I hope you will like that video. So back to this one. Here there's a beautiful garden, and which is, you can call it a garden because it's big enough in size, and my aunt looks after these plants. I would love to introduce all of these plants to you, and it's really cold here. It's getting cold and it's going to get more cold. The least temperature here can reach up to like 4 degrees Celsius, and still waiting for that time to come. Here there's like this marigold thing. This is my favorite part of the garden because when I walk through this place I really feel very happy, and these flowers always bloom. There's like not even a single day they don't bloom. And that one is a rangan flower. It's red in color, and that flower's name it was unknown to me till the day I came here. I've seen many of those in Bangalore, but it's I'm seeing it first time in someone's house. I've seen it there, but known people. And here is a lychee tree. It's not yet fully grown, but there are very many stories about this very lychee tree. And we had many more, but as time goes on, the trees die, or due to some or the other problem, we just cut them down. So my mom is really fond of lychees, and my grandparents always keep telling me your mom used to climb on the trees because the trees were big enough that time. Now it's just growing, and she used to steal from there, and she used to die with stomach pain because of having too much. And there are so many nice stories regarding the tree. So this is the lychee tree, as I told you. Some people might think it is the bay leaves, but it isn't. You can't make out from that distance, but if you come here and you can see. And unfortunately this is not the lychee season, so I'm not able to show you any fruit in this one. Maybe if I ever come to this place during the lychee mango season, I'll show you those lychees and mangoes which grow in our home. Okay, so here is an Aparajita flower. We also have this at home, this part, okay. It's blue color and these colors. And here we have a lemon. Here is a lemon plant. It's not yet grown, fully grown, and there's a lemon there too. It's really small, you won't be able to make out. This side we have tulsi, and there's also tulsi. So here's also tulsi too. And here is like a mango tree. I hadn't seen this before. Maybe it's just grown new because I am not I haven't known about this for a long period of time. Now, here we have more tulsi, and that's what we have some marigold again. Here too is a mango tree, and here this one's a guava. There's no guava unfortunately, and I don't know the season for guava. I have to ask my aunt, she would know. So this is a guava plant, it's not yet a tree. And here we have that shiuli pool, we call it in Bengali. There's one there, only one. It's not the season. Okay, so we have some more plants here. This is tomato, and my aunt, she makes tomato ketchup with these, and we have a lot of tomatoes here. Once I came and I ate that ketchup, and it was just like the ones you get at shops, and I was really happy having them. Here there are some bricks and all, and there you can see it's a pond, and it's fully foggy over there. That is a college, and this side is just next to my house. It's like a pond, and there are lots of fishes in that pond. I often see fishes jumping here and there. You're not allowed to fish in there. It's given out freebies. A person is doing farming over there for fish. So you can see it's beautiful. There used to be ducks long ago, and I have heard of many stories of myself because I really don't remember. I used to come here and I used to love to watch those ducks. My parents, my grandparents, my uncle, aunt always told me about them. And coming to this side, there's a banana tree over here. It's big. Look at this leaf, it's like so big. And I don't know what this is. And here we have an lychee plant. I just got to know about it today. I had come here to this side with my aunt, and she was telling me she bought it a year ago. And these people usually give a lychee in 2 or 3 years, but it's just 1 year old, so we still need to wait. Here we have another marigold. These plants, I really don't know. I'm so sorry. This is a flower here, and that side is another banana tree. Here is a mango, and in that tree there are like some minuscule bananas which you really can't make up. And there was a banana plant over here. And it gave us bananas. The bananas are at home, and then they cut it off because I asked my aunt why, and she was like, bananas are plants which give their fruits once and then die. So then they had to cut it off, and I have some more that side. Let's just go there. Finish it. Here I have some mint plants. We of course use them, and there are a lot. That's why we have some coriander. And then you can see those things like leaves. I asked what is it, and my aunt did not have any clue. Then as I told you, tomatoes here. It's a small mango, and this one broke. I don't know how. It was all fine. Here we have the red amaranthus and some palak. So you can see this side we have a lemon plant. Here's a lemon. If you can make out, it's here. Yeah, and there are more that side. And here is that pond. It's like the end of the tree here. And this goes like that, and then there are some houses there and stuff. So here's another one, guava. So I hope you enjoyed this video, the tour of my garden over here, and my journey. I'll be back with another video with some historical information about this place. Till then, stay tuned, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below for anything you need. And please don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I post new videos in my channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video.